Dia Yíomh agus fáilte. Hello to all and welcome. An teadal atá an scéal seo inniu ná An Fear Sneachta Bocht. The title of our story today is An Fear Sneachta Bocht, the Poor Snowman. Fear Sneachta, snowman, bocht, poor. Dús, cé atá sa pictiúr? Cé, who? Who is in the picture? Tá Daddy, Sean, agus Siofra sa pictiúr. Daddy, Sean, and Siofra are in the picture. Tá Taffy sa pictiúr freisin. Taffy is in the picture as well. Freisin as well. An bhfuil an clán go léir sa pictiúr? Is the whole family an clán go léir in the picture? Níl. Níl mommy sa pictiúr, níl Oisín sa pictiúr, agus níl Lola sa pictiúr. Níl an clán go léir sa pictiúr. The whole family is not in the picture. Tá éin sa pictiúr. Éin, bird. There is a bird in the picture. Anois, cad nó céird atá sa pictiúr. Cad nó céird? What? What is in the picture? Well, I pictiúr a hain, in picture 1, tá sneachta sa pictiúr. There is snow, sneachta, in the picture. Tá crán sa pictiúr. There is a tree, crán, in the picture. Agus a pictiúr a dó, in picture 2, tá líróidí sneachta sa pictiúr. There are snowballs, líróidí sneachta, in the picture. Tá fear sneachta sa pictiúr. There is a snowman in the picture. Feicigí an fear sneachta. Look at the snowman. Tá cluck mar canapa aige. He has stones, cluck, mar canapa, as buttons. Agus tá carraid mar thrón aige. And he has a carrot, carraid, mar thrón. Shrón? Nose. He has a carrot as a nose. Tá carraid mar thrón aige. Tá hata dun a cheann freisin. He has a brown hat, hata dun, a cheann, on his head as well. Tá sé an uair sa pictiúr. It is very cold in the picture. An uair. Cén sort éadaí atá Daddy? What sort of clothes are on Daddy? Tá seacaid there. He has a jacket on him. Tá hata he has a hat on him. Tá lómhíní he has gloves on him. Tá scaf freisin. He has a scarf on him also. Cén sort éadaí atá Siofra? What sort of clothes are on Siofra? Tá gansaí buí he. She has a yellow jumper on her. Agus tá hata curcra agus scaf curcra he freisin. And she has a purple hat, hata curcra, and a purple scarf, scaf curcra, on her as well. Tá hata, scaf, seacaid, agus búta sí sheán. There is a hat, scarf, jacket, and boots on Sean. Anois, cad atá ó dhéanamh ag Daddy? What is Daddy doing? Cad atá ó dhéanamh aige? Well, tá Daddy ag tógáil fear sneachta le sheán. Daddy is building ag tógáil fear sneachta, a snowman, with Sean. Agus tá Sean ag tógáil fear sneachta le Daddy. And Sean is building a snowman with Daddy. Tá Daddy agus Sean ag sugra le chéile sa sneachta. Daddy and Sean are ag sugra, playing le chéile, together, sa sneachta, in the snow. Cad atá á dhéanamh ag taffy? What is Taffy doing? Cad atá á dhéanamh aige? Tá Taffy ag sleamhnú ar an lac air. Taffy is sliding, sleamhnú, ag sleamhnú, ar an lac air, on the ice. Tá siofra fuór. Siofra is cold. Cad atá á dhéanamh ag Sean I picture dó? What is Sean doing in picture 2? Tá Sean ag caithfidh líróidí sneachta. Sean is throwing ag caithfidh líróidí sneachta, snowballs. Cad atá á dhéanamh ag siofra I picture dó? What is siofra doing in picture 2? Tá siofra ag scótáil ar an lac air. Siofra is skating ag scótáil ar an lac air on the ice I picture dó, in picture 2. Féachigí ar an spéir sa picture. Look at the sky in the picture. An spéir. Tá an spéir doirche. The sky an spéir is dark. Tá sé doirche. Tá sneachta I neach oit. There is snow in neach oit everywhere. An bhá.